Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our deep dive into managing your Surface Book's battery life and screen functionality. Today, we will cover essential steps to ensure your device runs optimally. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Torx T5 screwdriver, a spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace before beginning. Begin by powering off your Surface Book completely. Removing the battery requires access to the internal components. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel of your Surface Book. There are typically 10 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. If you find it challenging to remove the screws, applying a little heat with a heat gun can help loosen the adhesive holding the back panel in place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any internal components. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier for you to get the help you need. With the back panel off, locate the battery. It's usually situated near the center of the device. Disconnect the battery cable gently using your fingers or the spudger. Make sure to avoid any static electricity by grounding yourself. Now, let's focus on cleaning. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe any dust and debris from the internal components and the battery itself. Keeping your device clean can improve airflow and performance significantly. Next, if you're noticing issues with your battery life, consider checking for swollen batteries. If you see any signs of swelling, it's crucial to replace the battery immediately. If you're unsure how to proceed, we can help with a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work is done. At this point, reconnect the battery cable securely and place the back cover back onto the device. Reinsert all the screws you previously removed, ensuring they're tightened adequately but not over-tightened, which can damage the casing. Once everything is reassembled, power on your Surface Book and check if the battery and screen are functioning correctly. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. With our pickup and delivery at your home, it's never been easier to get your device serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. In summary, maintaining your Surface Book battery and ensuring a clean internal environment can significantly enhance its lifespan and performance. Remember to handle all components with care and consult professionals when needed. With these tips, you're well on your way to maximizing your Surface Book's battery life and overall efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.